In this video, I'm going to show you how to configure toasts on Axiom. So the first thing you'll need is an Axiom account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out, you will not regret it. Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins. It's packed with a lot of different premium features that are completely for free, such as an amazing wallet tracker, a Twitter tracker, a great pulse tracker and P&L tracker. They also have a top-tier reward system which gives you Solana back just for trading. You can also trade perpetuals and use their turbo mode for faster fills. You can use their filters, which are just amazing. You can set your own presets for buy and sell settings and adjust your slippage, priority and bribe fees, etc. So again, link down below. Make sure you check it out. You won't regret it. So to actually configure toasts on Axiom, this has been the most recent update. You want to click on your wallet tracker down here at the bottom so this gets popped up, and then here you want to click on trades, which is the second tab. Then you want to click on settings where it says live trades settings, this cog icon, and then you want to switch to toasts over here. Now as you can see, you can then customize toasts for both display over here, so you can basically set how you want these things displayed over here. You can also go to the market over here, and then you can set what you want to see, and then you can also go to miscellaneous over here, which allow you to customize different miscellaneous things. And then you also can have your quick buy over here, where you can basically set the quick buy and your colors, etc. So these are basically the settings that you can see in here. And yeah, once you're done with that, you want to click on done over here, and then you can get back in whenever you want to actually change things according to your own wish. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.